Right, everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is episode 18 of the weekly uploads, and yeah, pretty typical British weather, just raining all week. We weren't meant to be concrete in a driveway, but obviously it's been rained off. We weren't meant to be starting to build the gables, but we had to postpone the crane because of the wind. So we did get the steels up later in the video, but yeah, not really been the best productive week. We still managed to do bits like get the wall plate on and we did quite a bit of snagging on the other job while it was raining. So yeah, all things that need to get done. You know, it's part and parcel in the building trade. You can't always be out slinging blocks all week, you know. But yeah, hope you enjoy the video. It's a bit of a mishmash all over the place. Probably won't be the most exciting because yeah, bad weather. So without further ado, let's get cracked on. Right, it is Monday afternoon. We've got clear skies now, but yeah, it's been raining all morning, so I haven't been able to get any well, we were going to bed the wall plates on. Yeah, I managed to do that. So instead, we've just helped the carpenter clad the steel beams in the post so the roof can get cut in. So what we've done, drilled a hole through the steel, threaded bar, and tightened 2 bolts either side. So that's done all the way through these 2 steels. Used a mag drill to drill them, which got over in the van here to show you quickly. So this drill is quite special, as see it's got a magnet here which then obviously sticks to the steel. You turn that on and then you lower the chuck down like a pillar drill, so you crank it down. And obviously we've had to use, well, I didn't use it personally, but a cutting oil lubricant so the steel wouldn't burn up. So yeah, it's a pretty nice bit of kit. But yeah, so we'll be going to another job now to well, the previous job we did the rendering on, to spread some stone, set some concrete shuttering, and yeah, get ready, because tomorrow we're going to be concreting around a few manholes and a concrete base, and then in the afternoon we'll be coming back to set the wall plates on, because there'll be more rain due in about an hour or so. So yeah, let's catch up on the other job. Right then, it's Tuesday morning, and as you can see, not very good weather. Absolutely blowing it down. So me and Matt have come here to one of the extensions we've previously built. We're just doing a final snag and clean. You can see, I don't know if you remember from the other videos, the decking is now all in. Conservatory's going up. So yeah. Bathroom's all in. Got the full wet floor, aqua boarded panels. And the kitchen's done. That's got a nice job of peeling off all the films. So yeah. The carpenter's come in. Done some bespoke work, as he likes to call it. Built all the shelving, panelling. Just put the fridge in this morning. Last clean up. See, Matt's getting excited over there. And yeah, another addition is the electric loft hatch. So yeah, there we go. It's quite intricate bit of kit, but it's what the client chose. So yeah, like I said, we're just gonna be doing a final clean up, check around the skirtings, any masking tape off to clean down the kitchen. Like I said, it won't be a very exciting week, I don't think, because everyone knows the weather's rubbish. And yeah, just got a solar battery there for the property. All the boilers are up here. So yeah, we're gonna get cracked on, cleaned up, and have a really fun time. Woohoo! Right, it's now Tuesday afternoon. See, it's a bit of a different tale on this site. It's not raining. We're just here at 20 to 2. Got the wall plates ready. The other one's down on the scaffold that side, and we're gonna set them on. So Matt's down there, gonna have to pull start the mixer. Fun, fun, fun. And yeah, we're gonna get ready because tomorrow, because now we've obviously cladded the steels with the timber, we're gonna be craning them on tomorrow. So yeah, get these wall plates set. There we go, there's the mixer. And get the tower set up ready for the steels. So yeah, we'll crack on. Right, that's the first wall plate on. Set up a string line along that front edge and tap the wall plate down to it. Then put the blocks on top. See here. Perfect. That's between every block. And obviously down to the string line, so yeah, pretty good. I'll go on that side. Get that one done. Right, it's a cold Wednesday morning. The tractor units arrived to lift those steels and the goalposts up there. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. The rain is holding off at the minute, but as you can see, we're all in the waterproofs because they don't really give it good today. So yeah, we'll see what happens. there we go. The steels are all up, cladded up, ready to go on. Crane's all packed away. And as you can see, hammering it down. So yeah, I'll update you on what the next plan is. Right everybody, it is Thursday afternoon. Just spent this morning checking, just a fine tuning the steels on the pad stones, because that one had to move 10 mil that way and that one had to move 20 mil that way. Because I don't know if you noticed in the time lapses, it's quite windy. And the carpenters have come and just put up the pattern for us to build our gables to, both sides, which is ideal. We just need to screw in a few lugs of 4B2 like that, just to know where we have to notch out for all the ladders coming in. Unfortunately, the rafters do sail into the blockwork. We couldn't have known this because the we couldn't properly set up an angle for the trusses. So at the minute, I'm just cutting out all of the pockets at 400 centers, and then plenty of room for the trusses to sit in. So yeah, I'm going to carry on with that. I've got to do that all the way down here. It's not taking too long. And then all the way down the other side. So yeah, get a little time lapse up and cut all of these in. Happy days. Starting to get there now.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there, I'll let my feet roam. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland, you're my sailing ship. Guide me in when you head for your trip. Right out of this wicked.
There we go. All of the all of the cuts are out. Looks pretty tidy if you ask me. Little job well done. Now we're gonna have some lunch, and after that, flip on that side and get all those cut out. Yes, now.
Blackened into bright sand, straight towards the warm sun and into his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer.
Right, that is the end of the video. Don't know if you noticed, but just started pissing it down at the end. So we just got in the van and went home. Well, we finished our cutting first, then got in the van and went home. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. I know it's been a bit of a, well, it's not been the best because we haven't been doing much building because of the weather. So yeah, but next week's video will be a bit better because we have the concrete to do, and we are starting the build up of the gables, because you would have seen the carpenters got the pattern trusses up. So yeah, even though it is probably be a short video, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, because yeah, a lot of new jobs and good week next week to do. So yeah, I will see you then.